Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vision by Anshika. My name is Anshika and I am from Uttar Pradesh, Azamgarh district. Guys, this is day 6 of learning English with me. Guys, today I decided to talk about how to introduce yourself. Guys, a good introduction is very important because it is the first thing people notice about you. Whether you are at a school, college, work, or any profession, a clear introduction helps you make a good impression. But guys, I know English speaking is not easy in the beginning. Even I even I feel nervous and shy when I started English speaking. I made many mistakes and sometimes I felt I will never improve English speaking. But I realized one thing, mistake is a part of learning. Every mistake teaches us new things. Guys, everyone can speak good English, so don't be afraid of mistake. Keep trying and keep learning. Guys, a good self introduction start with a simple line you can say is my name is Anshika, and after this line you can also share where are you from like this. My name is Anshika and I am from Uttar Pradesh, Azamgarh district. For guys, these are very short line, but this is very important line because from this line people knowing who are you and where are you from. Guys, after this basic introduction, you can add more details about you like I I like reading, writing or singing. I am a student. I read in class 11th, 12th or 10th. Guys, you can also share your cousins, your siblings, like this. I have two siblings. Guys, after this basic introduction, this is very interesting and this is complete introduction about you. Guys, you can also share your goals. You can say I am practicing English I am practicing English daily because I want to fluent in English and I want to improve my communication skills. Guys, finally you can end your self introduction. Very short closing line. Thank you for listening me. Guys, a complete self introduction sound like this. My name is Anshika and I am from Uttar Pradesh, Azamgarh district. Guys, I study in class 11. I like learning new thing. I live with my family. I want to fluent in English and I want to improve my communication skills. Thank you for listening me and don't judge me my English because I am just a learner, not a teacher. I am just getting started. Thank you.